Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment, Aries. And Aries, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have about your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And Aries, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So, in your circumstances today, you are someone, a very determined person, and you are a very kind and compassionate person helping others and being there for others in times of need. And in your situation, though you are together, you have this person with you, you may have a level of understanding with them, but still, there are certain things not clear for you, the way this person is speaking or the way they are behaving. So, something is worrying you, something is not clear. So, a lot of confusions, lack of clarity. So, you are together, but you are living your own lives, separate lives. So, some kind of loneliness, something aloof, you may feel that this person is not avoiding you or they are staying away from you, or they may feel that you are avoiding them, staying away from them. So, things are not good in this connection. There is something bringing a lot of gap between you both. So there is nothing you are doing, it's bridging the gap you have. So you are trying your best, you are making the efforts needed, you are trying to change the way things are going in your situation today. You want to see a change today, and you're hoping to, and you're wishing that this person understands you, and you're doing your best because Aries, you are not someone who gives up so easily. So you are determined. You stand by the choices. Maybe if you made this choice in this love to be with this person, you stand by this person no matter what, and you never ever change your determination. And that is the reason for your success in your life, Aries. But today, no matter what you do, there are some things happening in this love, something you cannot, what to say, it is something unbelievable for you. So we will see what is the card. It's King of Swords. So just like I said, you need to be prepared for something unexpected, guys. Maybe this person is leaving you, or maybe they are coming to tell you something, and the reasons for them leaving you. So it is a very unexpected circumstances, and though you are trying your best, it is simply inevitable on your part, and situation is not changing, Aries. So we will see what is the card for your career. It's Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So you may have a lot of opportunities and offers coming your way, but you must never feel proud for these opportunities. You must be really humble, and you must um, have humility in your heart, and you must have a very helpful attitude, helping others, helping the people who are there with you in your life. And do not forget to share the blessings you are receiving in your situation. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, truth be told. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So in your circumstances, in your relationship, this is the time to be your true self, whatever truth you have, true to your thoughts, emotions, your intentions, and clarity of communication. So people will tell you who they are quickly if you are willing to listen to what they say and pay attention to how they are behaving with you. And if you talk to them freely, have that open conversation, you will see the truth. And it is time to see what is true for you and what you share with each other. And tell this person or tell someone who is close to you what you are, what you truly want. So this is the time for that. And no one can do that for you because no one will know what is true in your heart. You must come out with that truth. So your truth is based on the experiences you have and your personality. So when you talk to this person about what you truly feel and what are your intentions, when that communication happens in a very honest way, you will find a higher truth that will help you to be more attuned to yourself. That will make you see things more clearly with more clarity. So this is the time for you should not hold yourself back. Speak your truth and listen. That is going to work in a beautiful way in your relationship. So the same way in your work, what are your truthful desires? What do you want to be? What is true for you? You must go for that. So what are your desires for a prosperous life? You must think of it and plan for it. So if you want to be a painter, are you making the efforts to achieve that goal? Or if you want to be a singer, are you being true to your calling you have? Whatever you wish for. So this is the time for you to do that, being true to your thoughts, emotions, your goals. That is going to help you find your happiness and abundance. So that is the energy here. A very beautiful card for you guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this aside. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So with this card in your circumstances today, so maybe you are too much obsessed with something, or you are thinking of something, worrying about something, but this may be the time for you to detach a little from whatever situation you are asking about. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to avoid someone, keeping someone at an arm's distance. But it is not a bad thing. But if you want your life to unfold as it is, whatever needs to be done, you must not have that fear or anxiety. You must never hold yourself back from showing the world the real you. And it is important for you to let life flow as it should and manifest things as it should. So instead of holding back or avoiding something, that is not going to help you in any way today, guys. And you need to believe in yourself, because you are a very unique person, and your unique characteristics are what makes you special. So in this relationship, are you being too aloof or detached? So you must be aware of your feelings and be prepared to move on with your life, and think with your heart and not with your head. Sometimes when we think too much, we just hold ourselves back. But this may be the time for you to think with your heart, and there is someone in need of you who needs you desperately, and you must go for their help, or you must at least talk to this person. You are trying to avoid them, and in your circumstances you are going to see something unexpected, an unexpected turn of events waiting to unfold. But you must stay strong, focused, have that belief and trust in yourself, and believe that everything is happening for the highest good. So whatever happening next may be quite unexpected, but you will come out of the situation um, with more clarity if you can hold on, wait. So that is the energy here with this card for you. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.